this is day 3 of our project. We did the lowering of pump the day before yesterday. Then we did the holes yesterday and we did the poles. So after the installation of those poles, we have mounted the poles on the top that are going to be holding our panels, and we are now installing the solar panels. The work of the solar panels in this project is to power that particular pump. There is no electricity around, and obviously the customer also does not want to use electricity, and so that you will obviously reduce the running cost of your farm when you do this. And number 2, because of the long life of the solar panels, you will be able to have your pump run for many hours and many days, and it will also, because there are no power surges with solar, and of course it will be saving the motor from any kind of damage.